Dear student, how are you? Good morning. Dear student, today I am going to start physical health education, unit second. The second last topic, effect of diet on performance. So you have to read today the effects of diet on performance. Then when we are in competition, before competition, during training, after competition, which kinds of diet we should take. So today we will read about this. So student, effect on of diet on performance. First of all, you have to read the diet play an important role in sport performance, as there are lot of activities in games and sports. You know that diet plays an important role in sport performance. Our performance also depend on our diet. So as there are lot of activities in games and sport, thus individual require a specific diet to improve performance. So you know that there are many kinds of lot of activities in games and sports. So we have to need the different kinds of diet according to different activities for improving our performance. In almost all sports activities, the diet during training period should be rich of complex carbohydrate along with the low fat diet. So complex carbohydrate already I have taught you. So this diet help to provide the sufficient energy during training period. The diet 1 week before the competition should be rich of complex carbohydrate like rice, wheat, bread, potatoes, grills, milk, cakes, etc. These all kinds of diet belong to the complex carbohydrate which give us the quick energy. So this raises the glycogen stores of energy in the body. Vitamins and minerals should also be maintained during this period. So when we are taking any kinds of training, then that time we should take the complex carbohydrate diet. That diet can give us to quick energy by eating by the like rice, wheat, bread, potatoes, cream, milk, cake, etc. So this trend, according to this diet on performance, we have to need the different kinds of diet according to different activities. But before in our training, we have to need the mainly complex carbohydrate related diets. So now here watching sport diet. Here I have prepared here the sport diet, sports activities. Second column, diet before competition up to 4 hours before competition. Diet during the competition, diet after the competitions. All kinds of diet I have given here. You can read here, you can watch here. So dear student, endurance activities like players of marathon, basketball, football, hockey, cyclists, they have to need the more amount of complex carbohydrate like rice, potato, wheat. It increase the glycogen store in body, help for the aerobic energy, low level of fat and protein. We have also think about this. And diet during competition, the during competition we should, which kinds of diet we should take. The simple carbohydrate like energy bars, bananas, fruits, etc. in a small proportion during the break time out interval. Sufficient water should also be taken during the break time out intervals like water, lemon water, fruit juice, energy drinks, etc. So these all kinds of diet we should take in the during competition. Diet after competition, which kinds of diet we should take after the competition. So sufficient amount of complex carbohydrate, some amount of low fat protein, sufficient water should be drink. Rice, potatoes, wheat, bread, chocolate, cake, biscuit, pulses, grills, etc. are the sources of complex carbohydrate. So these all kinds of diet we can take according our activities. The endurance activities, which in this activities like players of marathon, basketball, football, hockey, cyclists, etc. Now we have to read about the skill activities of or speed activities like players of sprint races, middle distance races, kho, water polo, skating, swimming. So more amount of carbohydrate, simple and complex carbohydrate we have to need before 4 hours the competition. And during competition, simple carbohydrates like the energy bars, bananas, fruit, etc. in small proportion during the break time puts interval. Sufficient water should also be taken during the break time out intervals like water, lemon water, fruit juice, energy drink, etc. So sufficient amount of complex carbohydrate, lot of vitamins and minerals increase the amount of protein. So diet after competition we should take like this. Now this trend sports activities, explosive activities and body contact activities like the players of wrestling, kabaddi, judo, jump throw. So in like this activities, which kinds of diet we should take? So before the competition we should take the more amount of carbohydrate, simple and complex, and during the competition the same the diet will be here also simple carbohydrate like the energy bars, bananas, fruit, etc. in small proportion during the break time out interval. Sufficient water should also be taken during breaks time out interval like water, lemon, like water, lemon water, fruit juice, energy drinks. And after the competition we should take the sufficient amount of the complex carbohydrate and proteins, lot of vitamins and minerals. So I think that we have understood about the which kinds of diet we should take according our sports activities. The meal before the competition should be taken at least 3 to 4 hours before the competition. This diet should be rich of complex carbohydrate, low in fat, low in protein and low in fibers like milk, cereals, rice, wheat, bread, cakes, potato, chocolate, etc. The diet during the competition should consist of simple carbohydrate if required. It should be more in liquid form rather than in the hard stuffy form. It helps to maintain water balance of the body along with the sufficient quick energy source like fruit, fruit juice, bananas, etc. So in this way, the in contact sport, wrestling, judo, kabaddi, karate, there are a lot of injuries during the training period. Thus, their diet has more amount of proteins to repair and replace the worn out tissue. So these players are also advised to take lot of complex carbohydrate along with the vitamin and minerals in explosive activities like throws, jumps, weightlifting, etc. The player should take lot of vitamins, minerals, whereas raise the amount of protein is also advised. So I think that I have understood about the proper understood about the these all kinds of the diet. Nowadays, student, you have to read about the energy requirement of individuals. You know that many people think that how much they should eat. So it's a depend on individual different way according our activities, according our workout, according our age, according our weight. So this is a depend on us that energy requirement of individual. So basically we have to need the two kinds of energy, first BER and second ER. The BER is basal energy requirement, means whatever we are doing not extra work at that time we also need the basal energy requirement. So dear student, first of all you have to read about the daily energy requirement, which we can say the basal energy requirement of an individual evaluated by adding the basal energy requirement BER with extra energy requirement ER. The energy value is measured in heat unit called the calorie, kilocalorie, and 1 calorie raises the temperature to 1 degree of 1 gram. A kilocalorie is the written as calorie with capital C. So you can think that the basal energy requirement BER is calculated by the multiplying the body weight in kg by 24 hours in one day with 1.3 calorie. As a 1.3 calorie is required per kilogram per hour the BER. So you can think see the formula BER 1.3 calorie into body weight in kg and 24 hours. So suppose that if anybody uh, adult is and his weight is 60 kg, then how much energy veg energy he has to required? So 1.3 calorie into 60 into 24 hour, when we multiply it will come 1872 calorie per day. So this is a only veg energy requirement. Now we have to read about the extra energy requirement. ER is calculated by the multiplying the body weight in kg by hour of the training with the 8.5 calorie. So as 8.5 calories required per kilogram per hour of ER. If the person of the body weight, suppose they are 60 kg and perform 2 hours training, then extra energy requirement 8.5 calorie into 60 into 2 hours. So it will be the multiply. When we'll do the multiply, it will come the 1020 calories. So for the 2 hours you need to the 1020 calorie energy, and according to the total energy, so ER is required 1872 calorie plus ER 1020 calories. So total energy he need 2892 calories. So in this way we can find out that how much calorie, how much um, we should eat, how much calorie we have to need according our workout. So now we have to read about the approximately calorie requirement of various group. So you know that if child will be of 2 years required, the daily energy requirement he have to need the 800 calories per day. If the child of the 10 years, he require 1500 calorie per day. The child of 14 years require 1800 calorie per day. Adult female 50 kg require 24 calorie per day, and adult male 60 kg require 12,800 calorie per day. And just like the adult male with the heavy sports activity require 3500 calorie per day, and adult male with the hard physical activity require 5000 calorie per day. So it's all are approximately. Suppose that our weight is different, age group is different, and how much time we are spending for our hard work physical activity. So we have to need the different conditions, we have to need the different kinds of the calorie requirement. So energy requirement, it's a depend on our workout, it's depend on our weight, so everything is depend. So I think that you have understood about the how much calorie we should take, how much calorie we should require to our body. So you can calculate by these all formulas, you can calculate then how much calorie you have to need per day according your. First of all you have to need the vagal energy requirement, later you have to find out the ER extra energy requirement. So according to this you can find out. So this friend, this second unit has been completed properly. So you have to complete a work, and you have many students, they are making notes but you are not writing questions answers. You have to also the write objective type questions answers, and 3 marks question answer and 5 marks question answers. So you have to complete also, and complete and show me in WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.